So today I'm going to teach you how to make this simple drawing board with your photos. Also at the end I'm going to teach you an extremely useful tip for any digital artist. The drawing I'm going to teach you how to do today is extremely easy and can be done by anyone with a little bit of experience. You're going to need an iPad or some other drawing tablet, Procreate or some other drawing software, and something that can take photos, preferably a phone with a good camera. Before we start though, please smash the like button. It truly helps get this video to more people that are in your position trying to become an artist. You can count this as your one good deed for the day. Yellow suit, yeah I'm fly, Coldplay playing Yellow Live. Okay, so you're going to start off this project with 3 photos. The first one is just going to be you holding up an object. In this photo I used my close friend Kelvin just to show you how to do it. Some useful tips include making sure to get the whole body of the person, get multiple photos, and that the lighting is the same for each of the 3 photos, preferably outside. It will make things easier in the future. The second photo you're going to take is of you leaning over something and looking down. It could be a couch, bed, or anything. I use an old trampoline in this photo. The third photo is of you laying down on your back. Just make sure you can see your whole face and that it looks somewhat natural. I also suggest keeping your hands behind your head in this photo. Now we're going to actually start creating the drawing. In the description I'll link this photo. This is going to be the island. Download it as a PNG file and put it into your drawing with the following dimensions: 6,401 pixels by 3,600 pixels. This should be the base image, not the island. Next, download this background photo. It is also in the description. Place it in your layers behind the island. Now insert the photo of you holding an object. Cut out the background. You can do this by using a lasso tool or just erasing the background. Now place it under the island and line it up. You may need to do some slight adjustments to your photo of yourself or the island. Now you're going to put in the photo of you looking over the edge. You're going to remove the background again, just like all the other photos. Now put it on the island. Next, use some sort of grass eraser brush on the picture of yourself to make it look like you're in the grass, not just laying on top of it. For the third photo, take the image of you laying on your back. Erase the background again and place it in the clouds in the top right hand corner. Now use the eraser tool with a cloud brush to touch up on the underside of the image being you. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Finally, just touch up any shadows or textures that might be bugging you. Then admire your work. Post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever, it's up to you. Or you can just keep it for yourself. Precious. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Like the video and comment how the photo turned out for you. And here's the tip, just like I promised: if the background of a photo that you're trying to use is extremely pixely, you can just blend the photo slightly to get rid of the pixels. Thanks for watching, and remember, the encyclopedia R through A is the best encyclopedia in the hit series by Logan Paul.
Hey, don't call me on my lonesome. You can find me riding through the city with my bro gun. Girl, I'm fucking with, just wanna kick it with a dope boy. When I spit that dope boy, I don't really small boy.